Hey there guys, welcome. Today it is a really fun day because we're gonna visit Casalini's factory. Yes, Casalini as in the oldest microcar manufacturer in the world, which started off in 1939 making mopeds and cars for disabled people. And yeah, later in the day got to making some of the most luxurious microcars ever with the most optionals and the best and most advanced technology. Today, we're gonna visit the factory in Piacenza, which is only 1 hour and 30 minutes away from me. So yeah, that's why I went. And also, this is the first ever vlog recorded with the Pixel 8 Pro. Let's get into it. We have a nice Waze itinerary, this one in Piacenza. So we're going, guys. Piacenza. Very negative. We are in the actual street where Casalini is, but there's still no Casalinis around for some reason. I am very disappointed right now. It seems like some sort of normal city area. There's nothing special about this really. Anything special at all. We're here! We're here, Casalini! Look at the cars! Look at the cars, guys! Look! We are here! No way! No way! Look at all the chassis. Look at all the bases. There's a Casalini eKerry. It's walking. It's going outside. Look at him! Look at him! Look at the guy! Look at the guy! Okay, so guys, we're here at Casalini's headquarters in Piacenza. Let's see which cars are there. Oh, there's a few actually. Let me zoom in. We have the 550 Sportiva, a normal M20, and another 550 Sportiva right there. That one hasn't come out yet, that's for sure. Look at that. That's a little smart light car. It's electric, quite obviously. Okay, that might be a new model. It's not come out yet. This one's the Casalini eKerry. As you can see, another few microcars here. We have another, well, what's this? That's a normal M20, is it? Looks cool enough. 650. Don't we have a few? That's another closer view at the well-known, the non-well-known new prototype of what they have here. That's another view. Oh, those are cute. Those are cute. I don't know if I can actually get them on camera, but would you look at that? That's a brand new vehicle right there. As you can see, this is one interesting vehicle factory right here. We have a lot of M20s. A lot of M20s. And I must say, that's the production line. We'll take a closer look at what are the new models, which we haven't seen yet, which aren't meant for the public yet. Look at those. They look extremely cute, not gonna lie. That was an official van. And would you look at this? Body panels and everything that's needed to build these. And yeah, we have more of the production line inside of there. And yeah, obviously some little creatures parked outside. And yeah, a few of the things, a few pieces, a few parts all around, as you can see. I just need to take a picture in front of the sign, and that's all. Guys, this was an amazing journey. I really thank you for watching. And yeah, we saw 2 prototypes that might be coming really soon to the market. We don't know yet. And yeah, I might have given you some spoilers, but who cares, honestly. Well, thank you guys for watching again. This was amazing. And also an amazing trip for me, because I've always really wanted to visit this factory. And yes, and I finally did it today. So, see you next time. Like, comment, and subscribe if you liked the video, and yeah, see you in the next one.